Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and today we're giving you a very detailed product description video on this. It is a great mask for bicyclists and just everyday use. You can see essentially you have filters right here. There are various layers of material, and this is a very nice adjustable mask. Now, what separates this from other masks? Now, first off, it does come in a sealed envelope, so at least you know it hasn't touched human hands. Then next up, just fits right over your face. I have kind of a big nose, kind of a big face, but it fits very comfortably. Now, it is adjustable. You can move it up and down a little bit how you want, but fits very well over the face, and you can still hear me talking. Now, a nice aspect of it is it does go over the ears and under the ears at the same time, just like that. And then Velcro in the back to where you can adjust how tight you want it to be. So you're not depending on someone else's piece of elastic to be able to hold your face and hold your mask in place. So very nice, clean Velcro on the back to hold it in place. Very sturdy, I'm pulling pretty hard. There we go. But obviously Velcro you peel, but it holds on very well. The inside here, 2 layers of mask, which is extra good. It is breathable. You can see the actual black part of the mask is fairly transparent, but the filter part is what protects your face, nose, mouth, etc. Now, this is meant to offer you protection, but allow you to be able to breathe. So if you're doing sports, this could be very good for you. I've noticed my Anytime Fitness gym requires me to wear a mask. And even if I'm not doing cardio, I can get winded doing a lot of different aerobic or non-aerobic exercises. I guess there'd have to be a little aerobic, right? Well, this mask allows me to do those exercises and not hyperventilate, because let's face it, if you've been in the gym, you've been on a bicycle, you've been doing stuff, masks make a difference in your ability to breathe. And this one doesn't limit you too much, but it does filter out some of the bad stuff. So filters right here, put it right like that, throw it over and under your ears and Velcro it in. Very easy to put on, very nice quality. You can see the stitching. This is above and beyond. See if I can, there we go. Show that up close. This is above and beyond your average mask. So go ahead and click like and subscribe. We have new videos all the time, and I think you're gonna like this one.